Kuhu from Anand. I just completed my 12th and I got a little time to spend more into the stuff that I like, and I could spend 2 days of the Nivedita Foundation organized workshop in Ekta Nagar for 2 days, which one was the computer session and the other one was about the creative thing, the waste out of waste kind of stuff, which was with one of the expertise of Anand, architect Swati. About the students of the school, I think they're really creative and every student should get that opportunity to develop their personality. Now the workshop had 6 days and 6 to 7 days in which they had the all-round development from their body language to personality to creativity to exploring the more out of their space, and it's the best thing, like those 40 kids could give the same knowledge about what they learned in the workshop to the rest of their friends, and that could make the workshop more successful. That's it. Thank you.
જે કૌશલ્ય રહેલું છે એને બહાર નીકાળવાનું, એ લોકોની જે એમાં જે કળા રહેલી છે એ લોકોને ખીલવવા માટે જે આ વર્કશોપ કરવામાં આવ્યો હતો, 6 દિવસના 6 અલગ એક્સપર્ટોને બોલાવીને પર્સનાલિટી એન્ડ સ્કિલ ડેવલપમેન્ટ માટે અમે લોકોએ 6 દિવસનો આ કાર્યક્રમ અહીંયા યોજ્યો હતો, જે સફળતાપૂર્વક આજે સમાપન કર્યું છે.
Hi, I am Kamal Patel, architect. I was very happy to open the 6-day workshop at Ekta Nagar School, Napa. Such kind of a program for the less privileged students of 6th to 8th standard, organized by Nivedita Foundation, was an exemplary, innovative, or let's say pioneering efforts in Anand district. I go to various school of architecture as a professor, but being with these children, it was as if my heart was totally with them and they with me. I urge people like you, educated people like you, to join similar programs. Only then we can make our country a powerful nation. Let us join, educate these people, these little children, and make India a literate, powerful nation.
I am MC Mary Kom. I was born in Manipur on the 1st March 1983. I am an Indian boxer. I am time-willed magnificent champion. People call me magnificent Mariam. Astu.
आयोजन किया गया था और वहाँ पेंटिंग का वर्कशॉप का जो शिरभार था वो मेरे पर था। तो मैंने देखा वहाँ जो बच्चों ने क्रिएशन किया था वो बहुत अच्छी तरह से किया था। वैसे तो कोई भी कला क्षेत्र में आर्ट प्रदर्शनी होती है तो जो बड़े आर्टिस्ट लोग क्रिएशन करते हैं वहाँ उसके साथ अगर बच्चों के पेंटिंग रखा जाए तो वो देखने में बहुत इंटरेस्टेड होता है और उनका जो क्रिएशन होता है एकदम से निर्मल होता है और मन के अंदर से उभरा हुआ होता है। इसी तरह से यहाँ भी छोटे छोटे बच्चों ने बहुत सारा अच्छा क्रिएशन किया था। उनके मन के जो भाव थे वो उन्होंने अपने कागज में उतारे थे। मैं निवेदिता फाउंडेशन को धन्यवाद देता हूँ।
Hi, I am Maulik Pavagadi from 3rd Architecture APID, and I visited Ekta Nagar School on Sunday, and I guided students on the topic computer software and its applications, that how we should use the computer and what are the new softwares that are coming into the market, and what are the applications that are used in our mobile phones, and which help them for their future. I saw that the students, they were very much interested in learning new things, and they were very much passionate about it, and they took interest in what I spoke and in what I taught. They were very much cooperative, and a 6-day workshop was conducted where all the different experts from the town and from the area, they came over to Ekta Nagar, and they had guided the students on different topics like craft, origami, the computer skills, etc. And the 6-day workshop was conducted by Nivedita Foundation, which is a great initiative.
I'm extremely grateful to Nivedita Foundation for giving me the opportunity to be a part of this event. Although I wasn't able to spend as much as time as I would have liked, I got to spend 2 days with the kids, and it was amazing to see the kids being given an opportunity to explore their talents in art, dance, computers, and all the aspects covered in the 6-day workshop. I think all the kids are amazingly talented and have a bright future ahead of them. I loved watching them actively participate in all the activities and be open to new experiences.
નિવેદિતા ફાઉન્ડેશને અલગ અલગ કક્ષાએથી શ્રેષ્ઠ કક્ષાના એક્સપર્ટ બોલાવીને અમારા બાળકોના વિકાસ માટે જે કામ કર્યું છે એ માટે અમારી એકતાનગર પ્રાથમિક શાળા અને એસએમસી પરિવાર એમનો આભાર વ્યક્ત.
પ્રિન્સિપલ કોણ હે? એ વર્ષાબેન પટેલ, બી નીપાબેન પટેલ, સી ભાનુપ્રસાદ ભાઈ પંચાલ, સી પ્રતિભાબેન પાટીલ, શ્યોર कंप्यूटर, बी भानुप्रसाद पंचाल को लॉक किया.
प्रेरणा सिखाने का मौका मिला. करीबन 2 घंटे बच्चों के साथ बिताए. बच्चे बहुत उत्साही थे. बच्चों के साथ टीचर्स भी गरबा और डांस में रस ले रहे थे. ये देखकर हमारा उत्साह भी दुगना हो गया. एकता नगर प्राइमरी स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल श्री भानु प्रसाद जी ने बच्चों के लिए निवेदिता फाउंडेशन के सहकार से ये वर्कशॉप का आयोजन किया. उसके लिए उन्हें भी हमारी ओर से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
I am an architect as a professional and art level person as nature. I am glad to be a part of the personality development program of conducting by the Nivedita Foundation at Ekta Nagar School, and I was there for the workshop regarding collage work, and you can say it was a best out of the waste artwork for the students. And basically I have given the themes regarding the awareness, socially awareness kind of thing, the Swachh Bharat, the sports, the global warming, and the basic garden, save the environment, etc., etc. And I have worked with 40 students as a group work, and it was a group work kind of a thing, and lovely working with them.